Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete incognito history on Android. First of all, open your Chrome, and after this on the top we could see the URL section. Open there, and what you have to do is type this option, and make sure you type down the correct words and enter it. And after that, an interface like this will be open. On the left hand side we could see the events. Tap on the DNS option, and right over here on the bottom the DNS lookup will be shown, and at the bottom we could see the host resolver cache that says clear host cache. Tap on that option, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to delete incognito history on Android. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.